What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on this beautiful Mustang, and we're going to be installing a wing on it. Alright, the first step will be masking the back wing and holding it in place to measure out exactly where the holes are going to be. So let's get to that. Can I see where they line up? Something like this. Okay, I'm gonna need your help.
Yeah. Hold on the other end.
Yeah, trying to see how it lines up perfectly. Okay, so it has to be down a little bit. You see the curve right here.
Uh-huh. I don't know how much space is in between.
It should be a straight line. Go down a little more on the right, on the far end. Yeah, go down. Oh wait, what the heck? Now let's right at the top. And mark it.
Your side is higher, right? From here?
Yeah.
I don't know if you want me to move it up or...
I don't know. I'm trying to see first. The plastic is actually curved. It's not cut straight.
Yeah.
Right? Have you seen it? Because this is a straight line for me right here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, hold on. Whoa. Let me hold it to this side. Right there we go. Yeah, it's not straight. Oh yeah, it is. So from what I looked at, the center has to be lined up with the camera.
Yeah.
So it looks right. Should go up a little bit. Yeah, this looks good.
Take it off?
Yeah. So you'll start by taping up the wing, and then using the wing as a template to mark where the holes are going to be, which then you're going to use your drill bit to do a pilot hole for the rivets to go into.
Just make sure not to go through it.
Yeah,
on
too
the
deep.
other side.
Perfect. So what I did, I started installing, instead of rivets, I did actual 10mm bolts to hold it better. Also because I made the hole a little bit too bigger with the riv nut gun. So then I just bought these 10mm bolts at Home Depot, and I made the hole appropriate for the size for this thing, just slightly smaller so it can actually screw in. See, it has a thread. And then you'll start by doing the two middle ones, center it, and then line it up. Make sure it's flush with the body of the car, and then go outwards. So basically start right there and move left or right, making holes and putting the bolts in. So once you get in, I made the hole already there for it, so I literally just put in the bolt and it'll hold it in place. But it's almost done. Haven't peeled off the tape or any of the backing, but the wicker build looks really good on it. It's even, and actually the silver bolts make it look a little bit badass. So So this is how it's supposed to look once it's on. The bolts are on. That's the finished product. Really cool upgrade. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you. Thank you to all the supporters that we have on Instagram, Facebook, and now YouTube. Thank you for the support, and guys, please subscribe to our channels to help us grow. We have all these different types of projects coming along, different DIYs we could do, any requests that you guys have, comment down below so we can do them in the future. And hopefully we could feature one of you guys on our videos. And if you haven't yet, follow our Instagram and Facebook, and soon we're gonna have some merch out for you guys to be able to represent us in your own way. And once again, thank you guys. Have a good night. Until the next one.